Alright traders, check this out. We're following up on the pound versus the Aussie dollar. As you know, we pulled the trigger about a week ago, started a short position here, and we did that when price was having this really strong reaction, which was expected, to be honest, right? We actually expected it at 83.57. But we wanted to wait for it, right, to actually manifest. We knew it's going to be a strong resistance level. On the second touch base here, we've seen the first, then we've seen the second manifesting. We said at that point, we were convinced that this 83.57 is a big resistance. It's probably going to hold and price is going to fold, basically, right? And that's pretty much what happened in the following few days, in the following couple of days. Price had completely turned around, and last Friday it even closed below 82.18. Now that's a very good sign, right? If you're if you're bearish here, that's a very good sign. That's a bearish sign. We've had a close on a weekly bar. That's not only a daily here, right? That was Friday. So we've had a weekly close below 82.18, and also we had a bit of a close below the 200-day moving average just as well. All right, so all these elements suggest that we're going to have here a full-fledged downside reversal, most probably. I would also want to mention, well, I would like to show you how it looks like from the weekly perspective. The same level, guys, 82.18 again, right? This time from the weekly perspective. This is really impressive stuff, right? I mean, respect. You can see the whole move back all the way. I mean, just think about it. At the highest point here, price was trading at 84.30, right? That's a staggering 200, more than 200 pip above that 82.18 at some point during last week, and it came all the way back just to close below. Now that's a huge vote of confidence in that key level as a massive resistance. Don't be fooled by the move that seems to be pushing through that level right now as we speak. It's probably just a counter move to that spike, because we have to remember that spike here was actually a downside move. And what we see here right now is kind of a technical correction to that spike. Make sense? Well, anyway, that's what we think the situation is. Obviously, we could be wrong, right? But we feel that that's probably what goes down right now. That's more likely, the more likely scenario at this point. Now we're already obviously we're also having a bearish position, guys. The move yesterday back above 82.18 was probably a false move, just an excess noise. Having said that, we did take some action on that, and we pulled. We closed one of the trades, right? We reduced the position. By the way, that trade that we closed out was in a profit. That was the first trade that we've entered right here. We got it out, so we're already taking some profit here. But the bottom line is this: we expect price to come back quickly, soon. Probably today, if not today, tomorrow. By the end of the week, of course, it will remain below 82.18 and will continue to drill downwards, right? That's the deal. If that's not gonna be the situation, we're gonna pull out, right? Price has to come back below 82.18, right? Stop loss level remains far away at 85 spot, right? We're gonna keep it there until we feel confident. That price is back on the downside again. I want to mention the potential on the way down. So we're talking about 80.53 as the first target, and then 77.13. That's the primary target. But final destination here, guys, is only at 75.72. So that's a massive 700 pip move, potentially speaking. All right, we'll have to come back and follow up on this one. Make sure that it went the same way we thought it's gonna move. Should be interesting. That's about that for the pound Aussie. That's about that for today. We will see you tomorrow. Take care.